Hey guys, it's Casey, Simply Casey here, and I wanted to give you a little context to this video so you would understand what I was trying to investigate and capture. This took place at my parents' house this afternoon, this evening before dark. I was outside walking around, and my son and I began to hear something kind of, that just kind of caught my attention. So as I went to film it, of course you don't capture the best parts on film, it seems, but there were two different sounds, and I've increased the volume like a lot. So maybe you guys will hear the main sound that I was trying to get. I know you can definitely hear the other one that was happening closer. But what was going on, there was a sound coming from down at the very bottom, the bottom of the hill. There's a little road that goes there, and just across the road is a creek. And something is kind of big down there and making like lots of noise, walking around, and then you could hear it like getting in the creek. It was crazy. It was like, it wasn't like there's no cows or bulls or anything that I could, see. Of course, I couldn't see it anyway because it's grown up there, but it was just the craziest sound. Something was in that water having itself a good old time, just kind of splashing around, and it would, it made a lot of noises. I thought I even heard a knocking sound. Around, and I heard it like get in the water a time or two. Right down here, there's a little road there, and across the road is where it is. Okay, guys, so the other part of the video that we had something else going on, there was just something that was a little closer to me, just walking. And the crazy part of it was, I mean, maybe there was, but it's just more sounded like something walking around on grass. And you guys know there's a lot of leaves on the ground right now. When I walk around, and my son and I, and my dad, everybody's using the leaf blower like often. So, we don't have a ton of leaves in the yard. So that's where I'm standing right there before you go down the hill. And I'm telling you guys, I'm like, well, this is me. That sound you just heard was me walking. And you could hear the leaves, like plain as day, you could hear them. So, I don't know, it just sounded like the other thing that was closer to me had the sound of just like it was walking on grass. It was very, very light sound. It was obviously a smaller animal, but I just wanted to give you guys some context. Let me know if you see anything that I've missed. Yeah, you guys, if let me know if you see anything that I may have missed, or if you hear anything that I didn't mention, either in the video or in these voiceovers where I'm trying to give you a little context of what was going on. But I don't know. It was kind of, could have been anything, I guess, but I just wanted you guys to check it out, see what you thought. Just let me know if you see something or hear anything. But just let me know if you see anything, hear anything. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. God bless you guys.